If I were to come to the instruments section, let's click on the personas and we'll just drag in a MIDI, choose a preset. I can then, it's already armed for recording and monitoring. I can at this point just click on the record button and just transport here. We'll press the spacebar to stop. I can easily record a MIDI passage like so. And while this event is highlighted, if it's not, I can click once to highlight. I can press Q, and then these MIDI notes are going to be quantized. You may not have seen that, so just take note here. I'll Control Z and undo. You can see a bit of movement. Let's actually change our quantize value to something lower resolution so we can see a bit more movement here. So again, this event is highlighted. I'll press Q, and we can see that those notes have been moved to the nearest eighth note. Now, next to our quantize value setting here, we have IQ, and this is input quantize. So let's go ahead and delete this out by selecting and just pressing delete on our computer keyboard. I'll go ahead and click once on this, and this is now highlighted. And I'm going to change this to something extreme, say quarter note. And let's press comma to come back to the beginning of our song. It is armed for recording and monitoring. I'm going to press record again. And let's again press spacebar to stop. Now, if you'll notice, each of these notes, let's shift and E to zoom in on this a bit closer. Okay, so we can see that each of these notes is right on our grid, which is set to quarter note. So that's what this input quantize is going to do for you if it's activated. As you're playing, it's going to automatically quantize to the current grid setting that you have here. And I just did an extreme one so this can really be apparent. Here I've got a little double note. That's what that dash is. So I just wanted to make a little quick tip video showing that if you'd like to quantize on recording or while you're recording, then you do have that option. Now, I typically don't use this feature because I want to keep the human feel of my playing, but you may have instances where you would like to achieve this. And so using the input quantize here is one way that you can go about doing that. And just be sure that you make sure to set the quantize value to whatever resolution you'd like for it to be. If you just like a little bit of quantizing playing, say your playing is pretty good, but you just want to quantize a little bit, use a higher resolution, like 16th note. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it down below. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next tutorial.